Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub, and today I'll be talking about how to check your battery health on your laptop. So if you're wondering how to check your battery health, then this video is for you. So for Windows 10, whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, I'm using Windows 11, but the process is the same. It's just some small differences in there. So right click on the Windows button. Right click on the Windows button. Yeah, so when you right click on the Windows button, you see a pop-up menu in here. Yeah, so I'm using Windows 11. So for Windows 11 users, select Windows Terminal Admin. Windows Terminal Admin. And as you can see in here, Windows Terminal Admin. If you are a Windows 10 user, yours won't be Windows Terminal, but it will be Windows PowerShell. So for Windows 10 users, select Windows PowerShell Admin. And for Windows 11 users, select Windows Terminal Admin. So I'll be selecting Windows Terminal Admin. Okay, so this is it. So just input in this command. Input this command in there. Yeah, so input in this command. Yeah, I will drop this command in the description below, so you can go in there and just copy it. So whether you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11, we'll be using the same command. So input this command, then just hit the enter. So you realize battery life report saved to file part C. So we'll be going to we'll be opening our hard disk. That's the hard disk C, and this is where you can find your operating system, the Windows hard disk. Realizing here the Windows hard disk is the C. So this is the Windows hard disk, the C. So open it. You realize there will be a file in the save as battery report. So as you can see in here, battery report. So this is the file. Open it. Yeah, so when you open it, you'll be having something like this. You realize in here the computer name. It will give you the system information. Then scroll down, the installed batteries. So you realize in here, this is the battery design capacity. So the design capacity is 43,000, but my full charge capacity now is 18,000, meaning now my battery life has diminished. You realize now, instead of it holding 43,000, the capacity it being 43,000, now the capacity is 18,000. That's full charge, meaning my battery has degraded. So my battery has degraded, meaning the health is very bad. Yeah, but I'll use it. I have no option now. So that's it. So if the full charge capacity and the design capacity, they are the same, then you are good to go. But if they are not the same, and maybe there shouldn't be a vast difference, like 43,000. If you get maybe 42,000, it's okay. 41,000 is okay. But if you get more than like half, like I'm having in here 18,000, meaning the battery has degraded very, very much. Yeah, so that's how easy and simple it is to check for your battery health on any Windows laptop. As you can see in here, these are my battery usages. Yeah, so that's how easy and simple it is. So if you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share to your loved ones, and also give a sweet comment. See you in this video.